It snows! So on time, November 24th. So beautiful, but it's melting already. But anyways, I'm so happy to see it. I have ordered the second-hand Christmas tree, and it's like a tree that should be hung on the wall. I would like to have a stand-in Christmas tree or a Christmas tree with the real needles, you know, that are staring at you. Ordered the Christmas tree that should be hung on the wall. It's made of wood and it should be really authentic and a little bit woody, like the real forest looking. I wanted to find that vibe, and also I didn't want my cats to eat that, so it should be definitely somewhere hung so that they could not like eat it, you know, or make a mess out of it. Also, I actually reviewed some of the other wooden Christmas trees, but that's an important point, that you should think first where you will store this Christmas tree before you buy it, because sometimes we buy something for this Christmas period not thinking of where we will store this all after the Christmas is ending. It's a very good point that I have noted, that the Christmas tree that I wanted that should be standing on the floor, it's wooden, but it's still standing on the floor. It's too big and it's so hard to assemble it and deassemble it. It takes a lot of space, so you have nowhere to store it. Whereas this one, can you see, it's very, how to say that, mobile. So this is why I like this option, because I don't have really much storage. Let's unpack it. You know what's the problem? This hole is smaller than a nail, so I cannot like hold it. It's super heavy, so I cannot screw it, hold in the Christmas tree with it. So now I have to think of how to nail it first and then hang it. Okay, that looks very handmade to me. I'm sorry. Why do you sleep here? Can you please move? Thank you. So this is what it looks like. Am I happy? Well, I don't know. It fits the wardrobe we have by the color. So in general, looks fine. It looks very, very, very handmade. Nothing manufactured here. Oh yeah, I hope you see me. Remember that Christmas tree that we were hanging together just a minute ago? Actually, it was 2 days ago, but for you it was a minute ago. I bought some Christmas tree toys. I'm pretty sure you don't call them the same way, but we call them Christmas tree toys. You actually do not play with those, but I don't even know why they're called this way in Russian. Let's hang it together. Okay, in the middle. Well, we got a box. Just a small usual box, you might think. Nothing special. Aha! But here, okay, I thought they were a lot smaller. For such a tree, we just need like 3 of them, I guess. Okay, we'll see. I just thought, what if I click on the Christmas music? Snowman! Actually, I'm feeling quite jealous. Why there's only a snowman, not a snow woman? I would definitely be the snow woman. I love snow. And you probably hear this. Let it be snow woman. Let's break stereotypes. Nice. I love it. What do we choose next? This one. Actually, this was bought for my mom. She's kind of Christian. Oh, I like this one, geometrical. Since we're no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. And I got these lights that just poked in my eye. We're gonna hang it right on this Christmas tree. While I'm decorating, I want to tell you more about the money I spent. Well, the Christmas tree itself costs about $17, the lights $2, and the Christmas tree toys, let's name them this way, 40 cents each. In total, this all cost me about $21. What do you think? Is it cheap? Is it expensive for you? Because I think it depends on the area where you live. For me, a little bit too much, but I'm glad I'm gonna use it like years ahead. Well, yesterday I went to the post office to take the lights. The only thing I really like about Christmas decoration is the lights, because I don't like these knickknacks, like small snowballs, any statuettes. It's just too much detail for me. So what I really like to go for is the lights. I'm sorry. These are disposable bags that I use multiple times. So going to our lights, I bought like 3 Christmas lights to 5 meters and one of 3 meters, and I kind of have the idea where I want to hang it. I'm not sure now if it's gonna be like that with waves or it will be just straight on that thing that I don't know the name of. I want to hang stars here. I bought, you know what? So I bought hangers, but unfortunately everything's in Chinese here, so I'm not really sure how to use that. I know that instead of drilling inside my wall, I can just hang a hanger there with a sticker and hang something there. This is all I understood, so hope it's gonna work for me and will not destroy my walls. So it's the next day. I know. So I have bought the batteries. I put them inside. You cannot imagine how hard it was to put them inside. And I found out that, look, first of all, it's so beautiful. Second of all, these lines and wires are so thin that I will not even need any hangers to put them there. I will just need a piece of tape, I think. Well, let's do it together. Так, рыжий. Рыжий! Рыжий! Ну, рыжий! Actually, in Ukraine, we do not celebrate Christmas much. I mean, there are people that do celebrate it, but on the 7th of January, because our Orthodox Church uses some old calendar and the type of counting the time, I don't know, it's just for some families the January the 7th is the real Christmas, but now it's becoming more popular to celebrate Christmas on the 25th. But the biggest celebration we have is actually on the 31st of December. Everybody has the days off, everybody's making salads, and it's just love in the air at that time. Nice. I told you that I wanted to hang on the wall the stars. I'm not sure if I told you, but I do. Well, I decided to make them with my own hands, though I hate DIYing, but I decided to make it the cheapest possible. And now welcome to the 5-minute crafts but ASMR version. Yeah, that animation, I just put it there to remind you that you need to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you don't want to miss anything. So leave me a comment about when are you starting to decorate your home for Christmas, because I haven't been decorating my own home for the whole life I've lived alone. It's like 2 or 3 years, and I do not really know when it's time, because I don't want to get bored easily by the decorations I have here, and I also don't want to make everything in a rush before the New Year's Eve. So it's kind of new to me to decorate anything, and I recently filmed a video when I decorated my home for the first time. If you're interested, I highly recommend it. Okay, I think I am kind of done with this wall. How do you like this super asymmetry? I don't know. Fine, kind of fine. I intended to make my decoration quite minimal, and I'm doing really good so far. And that's the last piece I wanted to decorate, which is my favorite shelf with books and flowers. So I'm just letting only the lights to it because I feel like it's beautiful on its own. I'm trying to be more intentional and less consumeristic with my decorations this year, and trying not to buy the whole idea, not being sure that I will use this all. Okay, you see nothing, right? Because it's light outside. Okay, fine, maybe later I will film it. Oh, maybe I'll do this way. Oh, now you can see. Thank you, Lord, for this camera. Nice, right? I kind of like it. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment what do you think about this all, and have a nice day and Christmas. Goodbye!